Hey guys, how are we? Today's install is going to be quite simple. It's actually just a GKTech Coolant neck spacer. You might be wondering as the reason why even bother about adding a spacer in between your coolant neck and the head of your engine. The reason being is because it allows you to add a coolant temp sensor to your engine without having to cut into the coolant piping, and I'll show you how they've managed to do that. Okay, so here is the coolant neck spacer, and if you look closely just there, there's a provision for a 1/8 NPT fitting where you can in future add a coolant temp sensor. Now this is very popular on the 180sx's and the S13s, not so much the S14s or 15s, as you will notice on the coolant necks on those cars, Nissan has actually decided to add a provision from factory for a 1/8 NPT fitting, which is awesome. Now in saying all this, there are other ways that you can achieve running a coolant temp sensor. You can cut into the piping like I said before. You can do it the sketchy way, which is drilling a hole into the coolant neck, tapping that and getting your own thread and adding a coolant temp sensor there. Or you can actually get the S14 or S15 coolant neck and add that to your 180sx or S13, as they are interchangeable. With all that being said, I'm going to set up the camera and let's get stuck into this install.